welcome back since my last time here. I think, well, I progressed a lot offline, yeah, because I didn't want to bore you to death. So I intended to make this on a multi-part series, but then I think more than 2 parts are enough. So what did I do to the DAISY 2.5 version? So if you remember, I removed the gas tank. I added this thing here to fix the support for our fairing. I moved this, or I fitted the lamp in the correct spot. I created some cable extenders to the lamp, so I had to create this, and I put all the electricals here inside this box, so it's sealed. It doesn't allow for, well, a lot of water to get in. I still have to cut some things here, and well, I reset these blinkers, but this will not be the final form, because you will see when I put the fairing, they are covered. I have ordered a part that is very similar to this one, and where the blinkers will fit kind of here and will be a little bit on the external side. So I still have to fit my rectifier, cut these things, and assemble the fairing. So I think that's it for today. I think that today it will be the day. Hello, my dear friends. So, last part of the assembly process. Sorry, it has been very difficult to get time to work on this. So everything is assembled. We are just missing the blinkers. So you can see here still the connectors are dangling around, because it was hard for me to find a suitable placement for the blinkers. The first try was adding them here near under the clip-ons, but they would be stuck inside, using the same mounts that I had before, but they would be stuck inside the fairing, so nobody would see them. So what I did was I bought a support. So it's this thing. It's very simple. It's an iron support where the blinkers will fit here, right, in the end, and I will place them here somehow. I still have to figure that one out, but I will place them here, so they will be under the fairing, but they will provide suitable visibility to everyone without problems. I thought about going with the blinkers on the bar ends, but I don't like them. I thought about going the new ones. There are some new ones that can be applied here, but yeah, I think those are too modern. They are LEDs, and I didn't want to go there. So let me see if I can finish this today. I will keep you posted as soon as I have the blinkers in place. See ya. Okay, so now I have the blinkers in place. Now to connect all the wires and see if everything is working, and then on to putting the fairing on top. Okay guys, it's done. Basically everything is working except the blinkers. I have an issue that I haven't figured out what it is, but I think it's because these blinkers don't have a mass connector, so they are expected to be connecting to the ground via the physical metallic one, and as they are both on the same metallic spike, I think they are closing the circuit. So what happens is, when I turn it on here and I turn on the blinkers, so this happens. So the back ones operate independently, so everything is okay, but the frontal ones, yeah, I have now this scenario here. So probably what I will have to do is I will have to connect some grounding to the blinkers and, well, try to isolate them better. Because if not, I really don't know where to put them. Well, and I really like this solution. I really dig this solution. I think it's great. It's visible. It's yeah. I think it works. So, but that's not the thing for me to solve. I don't know what happens there. That's nothing for me to solve. I will deliver this to my mechanic and well, let him try to fix it.